Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Jet Set Radio. This vibrant game challenges you to explore Tokyo, tagging the city with your unique graffiti. You'll learn essential movement, how to perform stylish grinds, and the art of tagging. We'll cover collecting spray cans, evading the authorities, and mastering the game's unique flow. Get ready to express yourself and become a legend on the streets. Movement is key in Jet Set Radio. Your character can run, jump, and grind with incredible agility. To grind, simply jump onto any rail, pipe, or ledge. Chaining grinds together not only looks cool, but also builds up your score and helps you traverse the environment quickly. Practice combining jumps and grinds to reach hidden areas and escape pursuers with ease. Smooth movement is your best defense. Graffiti is your main objective. When you find a tag spot, press the designated button to begin. You'll then need to quickly input a series of directional commands or button presses. Smaller tags might only need 1 or 2 inputs, while larger, more intricate designs demand several. Always keep an eye on your spray can count. You'll need them to complete your art. Be quick, as enemies won't wait for you. As you tag the city, you'll inevitably attract unwanted attention from the police and rival gangs. Your best strategy is evasion. Use your speed, grinding abilities, and jumps to outmaneuver them. Don't try to fight. Instead, focus on completing your tagging objectives and escaping. There are often multiple routes to take, so use the environment to your advantage and leave your pursuers in the dust. Stay agile.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.